fundamental purpose behind pulling all this data in, quantitative and qualitative data, is to be able to examine the landscape of equality of opportunity within our industry. How are we doing? What are the challenges? We will write a report to Ofcom, but to be shared with the industry, to set out some of the things we see emerging from that data and to make recommendations to the industry.
Our real hope is that the broadcasters will use this information for themselves as well. I think this process of co-regulation will work most effectively if the broadcasters not only complete the information but use the information that they've completed as a way of assessing themselves and seeing where they're doing well, but also where they need to focus.
The report we produced last year, based on Ofcom's data, has actually been seen as a kind of very effective toolkit for broadcasters to use even now, and we hope we can build on that.
We're able to look across broadcasters and see what's going well, where we're seeing good levels of diversity and promoting of equal opportunities, and where broadcasters seem to be successful in recruiting in diverse people and making sure they can reach their full potential within their organisations. But we will also be able to see what's not happening and where are the blocks.
We may see certain trends or certain deficiencies emerging in certain areas, and our task in the BTSR will be to look at that and say, well, what should we collectively be doing? Is a conference the way to go? Is targeted workshops something to do? We could be running some very tailored events because we're seeing, as an industry, we could do better in certain areas.
Our approach is very much about using that information to help us take a strategic view of what will be most helpful for the industry to improve performance further.